So this is a 2016 Rofin Sinar fiber-delivered laser tube cutting machine. It has a bar feeding attachment so that one can feed long stainless steel bars and keep cutting successive parts in automated fashion. It features an extremely precise X, Y, and rotary motion. It's capable of cutting material up to 15 millimeter in OD, and it'll actually has enough laser power to go through a full 1 millimeter of wall thickness. So it is a stent cutting machine for all intents and purposes, although the vast majority of the processing we do here are non-stent shapes, but complicated cuts in hypodermic tubing for steerable, flexible endoscopic work, for instance. So what we do is load a long length of tubing into the machine from the back and the side into the bar loader itself to prepare for the automated cutting process. So here what we see is an actual through the lens image of the laser beam contacting this tubular material and making a cut of approximately 0.15 millimeter in width through tubing that has a 0.2 millimeter wall thickness. You can change your assist gas, your feed rate, the number of inches cut per minute, etc., all within this control system. Well, this Rofin tube cutter is a fiber-delivered laser. So rather than the old excited gas laser tube type setups, the beam delivery is actually through an actual fiber optic fiber. And the advantage of that kind of approach to machining tubing is a much more precise control over the cut geometry. They're much quicker than the older generation machines, and the amount of material that one has to clean up after the cutting process is far less with this piece of equipment. So this truly represents the state-of-the-art of laser tube cutting here in 2016, and we were very excited to make this acquisition and addition to our equipment list.